So the first thing we want to do is we need to actually, we're going to divide up the sides, okay? So just like what we done when you would have been drawing your parabolas or anything like that at junior cycle in the rectangle, or even in the couple of questions before we moved on to our double hyperbola. So we need to divide up our side here, and we need to divide up the bottom into the same number of equal parts. Now there's two ways you can do that. You can bring your random line out from each corner and put your 4 marks in the compass and use your sliding set squares. Or what I do, just to get rid of a bit of the work, is I'm going to bring a random line out the middle there. Okay, and I'm going to use my compass from there. So I'm going to put 4 measurements on it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put my 4 measurements there and use my sliding set squares to join it back to the bottom corner. And then I can use the same 4 measurements to transfer them back to the center line here, or back towards the axis. So it just saves a little bit of the work. It saves having to divide up the bottom and dividing up the side. It does all into one. Okay. What I'm going to do then is, with all the lines that I have along the bottom here, I'm going to join them to vertex 2. So I'm going to join them to the vertex of the rectangle that they're on. Okay, I'm joining these to the vertex of the rectangle that they're on. So again, there's still nothing different at the minute to how we done the parabola. Okay, it's the very same as the parabola so far. The last step is where it's different. Okay, because in the last step with our parabola, we used to just transfer these lines parallel to the axis. This time we're going to join them all the way across to vertex 1. So this time we're joining them all the way over to vertex 1. And you just need to plot the points then where everything crosses. So you can see there, I'm just putting my dots where each of the lines is, and if it helps, you can number them. Okay, you can always start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and where 1 and 1 cross, where 2 and 2 cross, where 3 and 3 cross. Alright, so you can do something like that to help leave it a bit easier for you if you want. And then obviously the last step is just to come along and join up all the dots. And you just have to repeat that process on the other side, and then on the left hand side should you require it. Okay.